What is the best food to have in the food storage? My name is Tanzila, welcome back to my channel. What is the best food to have in the food storage? And in my opinion, the best food to have is fermented vegetables. And as you see, I have fermented vegetables, and here's fermented cauliflower with some carrots and garlic. And here's sauerkraut. If you don't know how to make sauerkraut, I will leave a link below in the description of this video so you can see how I made it. And in this pot I have a mix of fermented vegetables. It's cabbage and cauliflower together. But today I will show you how I ferment my broccoli. I really believe that broccoli is important to include in our diet to continue to be healthy and support our immune system so we can continue our journey in some, difficult times. Okay, let's ferment some broccoli. And I will use Chinese cabbage, garlic and ginger. Let's start with Chinese cabbage. We just cut this part, we don't need it. And we will save these leaves for later. We will use them at the end. Okay, so our cabbage is ready. I usually use 2 or 3 cabbages for plus minus 2-3 liters of fermented vegetables. And next will be carrots. For carrots we can use food processor to chop it up. But today I will be using leftovers from my juicer. I will use it in my fermented vegetables. And it's the best thing about fermented vegetables, we can have any leftovers from juice or from, maybe you're making soups. So let's make it together. And we add some salt to start massage our vegetables. And I massage my vegetables to make juice, because from fermentation we need our vegetables to be in their own juice for the best taste. And I'll add more vegetables from my juicing, salt, and continue massaging. Okay, this will be our base. Now let's prepare broccoli. Here, and just clean a little bit. This part we don't need. And I just cut in smaller pieces. Add it to our vegetables. When it comes to the broccoli flowers, I like to keep them whole. We add salt just to help have some more juice. Okay, one more thing that I would like to add to these vegetables is garlic and ginger. I will use a small food processor and we will add garlic and ginger. Again, a little bit salt. and cayenne pepper. Okay, let's blend it. Okay, this is pretty good. Let's add it to our vegetables. Again, let's massage all together. Okay, now we just put our vegetables in a jar, clean jar. I sterilized it with the hot water. And we want our vegetables to be under its own juice. So just fill up my jar. As you see, it was very simple to make. And you can use any extra vegetables that you have. And at this point, I will use one of the leaves that I left from the beginning just to cover. And again, I make sure that I have enough juice to cover it. And I will use cheesecloth to cover my vegetables. Okay. So at this point, I don't close the jar. I leave it for 2-3 days in room temperature to give opportunity, to give time for my vegetables to ferment. And then after 2-3 days, I will close it with the lid and put it in the fridge, in the refrigerator. And in the refrigerator, it can stay minimum for 6 months. So you can have this vegetable for 6 months or even more in your food storage. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know in the comments below, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.